How to cut a girl's hair. Learn how to give your daughter a trim, and you'll save big bucks on trips to the hairdresser. You will need hair cutting scissors, an eye-level seat, a video distraction, a towel, a fine-tooth comb, a spray bottle, and hair clips or ties. Optional, a sheet. Hair cutting scissors are sharp, so handle them carefully and keep them out of your child's reach. Step 1. Use professional cutting shears. Regular scissors are not sharp enough, resulting in choppy locks. If your girl's hair is thick, choose scissors with long blades. Step 2. Sit her so that her head is near your eye level, like on a counter or stool. Just make sure she's in no danger of falling, or lay a sheet on the floor that she can sit on. You can kneel behind her. Step 3. Keep her from getting squirmy by putting on a favorite TV show or DVD. Step 4. Put the towel around her neck, then lightly spray her hair with water to dampen it and comb it through. Step 5. If your child has bangs, start there. Comb her hair away from her bangs, put it in a ponytail or secure it with clips, and have her close her eyes. Taking very small sections of the bangs at a time, cut them so they end at the top of her eyebrows. For accuracy, keep the shears close to the forehead as you cut. Step 6. Run a comb down a section of the hair. When you reach the desired length, anchor the hair between your index and middle fingers and snip the ends sticking out of your fingers. Repeat until the ends are uniform. When cutting a new section of hair, always take part of the just cut section so you can use it as a length guide. Step 7. For a more natural look, hold the hair in your fingers vertically and cut with the scissors held vertically, the tip pointing up. Step 8. Comb the hair once more, check for evenness, and snip any strays. Show her how good she looks and be sure to thank her for being such a good client. Did you know Shirley Temple, famous for her curly locks, received a special Academy Award in 1935 when she was just 7 years old?
How to do a kinky twist. If your latest do is a big fat don't, this guide will help you give your hair a whole new look with a twist or two. You will need hair extensions, styling gel, a hair tie, conditioner, and a spray bottle. Step 1. Wrap the midpoint of the extension around your index and middle finger, creating a loop and 2 equal sections. Step 2. Pull a section of your hair, about 1/4 of an inch thick, through the extension loop and tighten to create 3 separate strands. Choose a spot on your head that is easily reached and can be seen in a mirror if you're styling your hair alone. Step 3. Apply a dab of hair gel to prevent the sections from frizzing. Just don't make them too brittle or stiff. Step 4. Use a simple braid pattern to start and weave all 3 sections together until your hair becomes the middle strand. Step 5. Separate your hair into 2 equal sections and combine with the extension to create 2 different strands of both the extension and your natural hair. Step 6. Twist both sections together in a checkerboard pattern by throwing one strand over the top of the other over and over again until you reach the end. Combine your favorite conditioner with an equal amount of water in a spray bottle to moisturize your hair each day. Step 7. Dip the ends of the extensions in boiling water to secure the twist, or let them remain frayed and use a hair tie to hold the twist in place. Did you know? A new law in England no longer required British judges to wear their signature white barrister wigs in the courtroom.
How to do big hair right. Get the height and volume that you want with these styling tips. You will need styling gel or root lifter, styling mousse, a blow dryer, a large round brush, small Velcro rollers or large hot rollers, a comb with small teeth or a boar bristle brush, hairspray, and a wide-toothed comb. Optional, Velcro rollers with metal inside. Step 1. Wash and towel dry your hair. If it's thick, rub some styling gel in at the roots. If it's fine, use a root lifter instead and just put a little mousse on the ends. Step 2. Flip your hair upside down and blow it dry using a large round brush. Step 3. Add volume by putting your hair in small Velcro rollers, wrapping them away from your face on top and underneath on the sides. Aim a hot blow dryer at each roller for about 10 seconds. For thick hair, use large hot rollers. Use Velcro rollers with metal inside. They conduct heat better. Step 4. Remove the rollers after 20 to 30 minutes. If you used hot rollers, let your hair cool for 10 minutes before gently fluffing it with your fingers. Step 5. For extra volume, tease the hair on the crown of your head in sections at the roots. Spritz a section with hairspray, then backcomb it using a comb with small teeth or a boar bristle brush. Gently comb the hair from the top of your head over the teased hair with a wide-toothed comb. Step 6. Once you have your hair the way you want it, hold the style with a lot of hairspray. Did you know? When 1,400 people were asked if they'd rather have more friends, more money, or more hair, 60% chose more hair.
How to do burlesque hair. You can't do burlesque without burlesque hair. Retro do's from the 40s and 50s. See which vintage style best suits you. You will need bobby pins, hairspray, a blow dryer, a curling iron, short bangs, and a vintage hair accessory. Optional, a teasing comb and a bristle brush. Step 1. Make pin curls. Take sections of damp hair. The amount depends on how big or small you want the curls to be. One by one, wrap sections around your finger and then clip them to your head with bobby pins. Let them dry naturally, then release them into soft waves. Make adjustments with your fingers and set with hairspray. Step 2. Try victory rolls, popular during World War II. Part your hair in the middle or on one side, then section off the hair from the front of the ears forward. Hairspray one section and wrap it around 2 of your fingers so you form a large barrel curl. Then pin it to the top of your head. Spray again. Repeat for the other side. The rest of your hair can be styled any way you like. Step 3. Create Marcel waves, a great retro look for short hair. Blow dry hair straight. Then, instead of rolling hair around a curling iron, clamp the hair in sections and keep reversing the iron as you pull it down the strand. Step 4. For an easy, everyday look, dye your hair jet black and get your bangs cut very short and angled up at the temples, in the style of 50s pinup queen Betty Page. Step 5. Add a burlesque hair accessory. Find authentic ones at vintage shops or reproductions at accessory stores. Now you're styling! Did you know, in the 18th and 19th centuries, a burlesque show simply referred to a comedy show. Burlesque didn't come to be associated with striptease until the 1920s.
How to do J-rock hair. Mixing styles from punk rock and goth to 80s hair bands, you can get the extreme look of Japanese rock musicians without ever lifting a guitar. You will need a picture of your desired style, a professional haircut, a blow dryer, a comb, a straightening iron, a fine-tooth comb, styling wax, and strong-hold hairspray. Optional, professional hair coloring and clip-in hair extensions. Step 1. Take a picture of the J-rock style you want to a salon and have them replicate the style and color. These styles are multi-layered and razored, and sometimes multicolored, so leave this part to a pro. If you're wary of permanent color, use clip-in colored hair extensions. Step 2. Blow dry your hair in the direction you'd like it to hang after you've washed it. Most styles have longer hair that hangs straight down in front or is swept to one side, so dry this part forward using a comb or your fingers. Step 3. Use a flat iron to straighten each section in the direction you want it to go. Move the iron from the roots to the tips along sections of the crown, back, and sides where you want it to spike. Flip the iron near the ends to create an upward bend. Step 4. Tease or back comb your hair with a fine-tooth comb to get more volume. Step 5. Dip your fingers in the hair wax and apply section by section in the direction desired to create texture and hold. You can create a faux hawk style or an all-over spiky look. Step 6. Set your style with stronghold hairspray and you're ready to rock. Did you know? The Japanese rock garden Ryo-an-ji features 15 rocks arranged in a rectangle of raked white gravel.
How to fake side-swept bangs. Whether you want to change your look for the night or just see what you'd look like with bangs, use these tips to realistically fake a fringe without a trip to the salon. You will need a comb, bobby pins, a wide hairband or bandana, styling wax or molding cream, and hairspray. Step 1. Part your hair horizontally about halfway between your forehead and the crown. The part should be about as wide as your forehead, with the hair in front of the part hanging straight down in front of your face. Step 2. Lift the parted section straight up in the air, holding it close to the roots. Let the ends of the hair dangle over your forehead. Step 3. Adjust the length of the fringe by either lifting the hair higher or letting it down lower, with the ends of your hair now imitating the look of bangs. Long, side-swept bangs will elongate a round face. Step 4. Pin the excess hair that you are holding in your hand with bobby pins. The excess hair will loop to one side on the top of your head. Sweep your new bangs down and to one side and adjust as necessary. Step 5. Put on a wide headband or use a rolled-up bandana to cover the excess hair and bobby pins. Step 6. Finish off your new fringe with styling wax or molding cream. Rub it between your palms and apply it to your bangs, front and back, up to the roots. Finish with hairspray. Did you know? The word bangs is thought to have come from the word bang tail, referring to a short racehorse's tail.
How to get an old Hollywood glamour side part. Looking like a modern-day Rita Hayworth only requires a few minutes and a couple of styling products. You will need shine spray, a comb, and hairspray. Step 1. Spray the comb with shine spray. Step 2. Place the tip of the comb at your hairline about 3 inches above your ear. The deep side part should line up between the arch and outer edge of your eyebrow. Step 3. Run the tip of the comb from your hairline to your crown to create your part. Step 4. Separate the hair on either side of the part and spray it into place with hairspray. Did you know? The bob hairstyle was made famous in the United States by a ballroom dancer named Irene Castle.
How to get big, bouncy curls. Creating beautiful waves is easy with this simple styling trick. You will need a curling iron, a ponytail holder, hairpins, and hairspray. Step 1. Heat up a curling iron. Step 2. Gather all of your hair in a top-of-the-head ponytail and secure with an elastic. Step 3. Take a 1-inch section of hair and pin the rest out of the way. Curl the small section. Step 4. Take another 1-inch section of hair and repeat. Continue until all the hair in the ponytail is curled. Step 5. Carefully remove the ponytail holder and let your hair fall loose. Step 6. Bend forward at your waist and spritz the underside of your locks with hairspray. Stand up, flip your head back, and you're good to go. Did you know? In one survey, a group of interviewers perceived a woman with curly hair as more outgoing and personable than the same woman with straight hair.
How to get face-framing curls for your hair. Follow these tips to achieve the picturesque look that deserves framing. You will need an appointment with a hairstylist, shampoo, a towel, styling pomade, a blow dryer, a round brush, and hairspray. Optional, a picture of your desired look, and a curling iron. Step 1. Make an appointment with the stylist for a consultation and haircut. Step 2. Demonstrate the desired length with your hands. Show the stylist where you want your hair to lay on your face. Bring a picture of your desired curls to the appointment. Step 3. The next time you need to wash your hair after you come home with your new cut, wash it and towel it dry. Step 4. Rub a dash of pomade between your palms and then run your hands through your hair. Step 5. Blow dry your hair with a round brush. Position the brush at the ends of the hair. Curl the brush inward and slowly pull the brush toward your face while following the brush with a blow dryer. Use the curling iron to curl the sides of your hair inward if the round brush and blow dryer don't give you enough curl. Step 6. Set your final style with a lot of hairspray to ensure the curls won't droop or straighten. Did you know a New York salon offers classes on how to correctly blow dry your own hair?